back to RZ Super Fun. Today we are doing a side-by-side comparison of the two CK100 Coleman go-karts. This one has a modded Predator 212 motor, and this one has a 98cc motor. I'm going to show you how to make a go-kart that goes 24 miles per hour to 31 miles per hour, one that has trouble taking off and has a little bit of trouble in other areas, to one that goes 31 miles per hour and is really fast and fun and roost a lot.
Okay, here's a quick side-by-side comparison of what the engines look like installed in the same go-karts.
For the clutch, we used a max power 455 12th tooth clutch, and possibly if you want more top end, you could use a 14 tooth clutch. I'll leave a link in the description for this clutch. This is the 3 horsepower engine that came off the go-kart, and this is the clutch that has a smaller shaft size and will not be able to be used in the swap and the gear reduction thing. And this gear reduction device will not be used either in the swap.
Okay, you're going to drill 3 holes in, at least that's what we did, in the existing motor plate right here. You're going to want to have those holes drilled so the motor will sit and you're at this angle, so the clutch is directly over the existing sprocket, and then you'll need to cut your chain. You'll need to take some links out of it and then reinstall your master link. Now this chain is stretched, as you can see, but the chain does not come off, and also I would recommend building a chain guard. We have not done that on this one. This is a quick view of the underside of the go-kart. You can see how we drilled the holes, and actually one has wiggled out. This is an idea of what you're going to do. You see the 4 existing mounting holes right here and here, and then over there. But that's what that's going to look like when you get done with that. View under the unmodified go-kart, you can see how the stock engine is installed, and then you can see the additional chains under there also that you will not be using the one in the upper right corner.
The throttle cable swaps to the new motor simply, as shown here. Go-kart's factory existing go-kart on-off switch will be also connected to the Predator 212's existing on-off switch. We have also disabled the low oil switch because it would stall in corners.